Hi, this is how you perform a factory reset of the Nothing Ear 3 in-ear headphones. Following these steps will make the headphones forget all their Bluetooth connections as well as any sound profile settings that might have been saved to them. Firmware updates will however not be deleted. First, make sure that the case and the headphones have a bit of battery power left in them. Then place both headphones in the case, close it and then open it again. Now locate the little pairing button on the case, push and hold this for about 10 to 12 seconds, at which point the little LED light on the other side of the case will blink red 3 times. Here is also time to let go of the button. After this, the LED light will pause its blinking frenzy for a little while and then go at it again, but this time with a white light, indicating that the factory reset process is finished and that the headphones are now left in pairing mode to be connected to a new device. From here, just open the Bluetooth settings on your phone or any other compatible Bluetooth device and connect them as you please, or close the case and pack them away if you're selling or getting rid of them. Alright, that's about that. Thank you for watching. Bye.